So hello viewers. So today we again are back with the one more success story of chartered accountant Amit sir. So congratulations for clearing enrolled agent exam in the very first attempt itself. And how are you feeling at this point of time? To you, Amit sir.
Like, to be honest, thank you so much for the opportunity, and it feel like I'm on the top of the world after clearing all year part one and year part three in the first attempt, and it's like speechless I am because I don't have words to express my feelings. Because after 7 years of gap between my CA examination and examinations, it just feel like I don't have words to express my feelings.
Right. So my first set of question would be related to why EA after CA. Yeah.
Uh, Actually, I always wishes to look after USA job opportunities and some dollar amount earnings. To be honest, for that I thought I am done with C. I mean, I am CA, but I am able to get work related to India only. And if I'm looking to, get work or job opportunities from some MNCs, from some big corporations, then I must have some high profile credential or certified degrees or license, something. And for that, I inquired about it on too much, on internet or in the YouTube. Then after I come across some research interview, one of interview related to CPA and enrolledagent PMA, various courses AKPS is involved with. So little bit searched about EA. I found it a little bit, less time consuming and less costly other than CPA or CMA. So after hearing some lectures provided by CS commissioner, and I feel like it's too much interesting to know related to income tax of USA. That's why I decided to go for EA, and I feel like I did my best decision of my life after uh, clearing CA, and now I'm pursuing enrolled agent.
Right. So, point to be noted, viewers, even if you have the highest credible course, that is the Chartered Accountancy course of India, and you want to climb above in the hierarchy, you want to climb the corporate ladder, you want to go above in the hierarchy for better remuneration, and even you want to work, nationally, apart from nationally, internationally, also all across the world, then not only for the job perspective, even for the practice as well, especially those chartered accountants who are into practice. If you want to set up your international practice also with respect to the taxation outsourcing work of US, then EA course would be the right choice for you, even for the practicing chartered accountants. Okay, so my next question would be like the mentorship program for the enrolled agent, wherein Shami Saruja sir was always there whenever you needed him. Yeah, to you, sir.
Yeah, actually, I'm too much thankful to entire team and entire AKPS Institute because they are always available whenever we are in need of them related to some study materials, related to some personal guidance, how to proceed with syllabus, or if you are not able to get anything or not able to understand anything, or how to pursue with the syllabus because I had a gap of almost 7 years from CA to EA. So I was like, how I will be proceeding with everything because after doing CA and started earning, it's very difficult for someone to start learning something from books actually. So it was like whenever I needed my counselor, sir, all the lectures and everything was too much available whenever I needed them. So big thanks to entire team and Sami sir. Because of them, I cleared two part and one part is remaining, and I'm hoping that I will be clearing very soon within 2 months that part also.
Right. So from CA pass to EA pass, two paths with respect to. So my next question would be like, what kind of technical difficulties or the obstacle you came across when you were having your preparation with respect to two of the parts which you have already cleared?
Uh, Initially, I never come across any USA examination because we never know what kind of questions they are going to ask or what are the exam pattern would be. So, we do not have any idea because someone is appearing for the first time for any examination. So we are like, but Samisa always told us ki if you go for the ratification or you cannot memorize everything because it's like you cannot memorize everything. Mark my words. So I was like, okay, I can't, but we will. I mean, I tried to understand things very properly, and when I was appearing for the PA Part One examination, that was in August 23. So initially, for the first 30 minutes, I was like, everything is going bounce. I do not know where are the questions coming from, and what's going on. So I just took a deep breath, put my head down on the table, and relaxed for 5 minutes, and again started solving the questions. Then I feel like anything there was in a book not going to appear in examination same to same because things will be changed, language will be changed. They're not going to ask you anything you have learned or you have, yeah, I mean, you have memorized, but they're going to ask you what your mind has thought after some understanding something. So that was like, I mean, you cannot memorize things properly, or if you memorize, then you won't be able to clear any of the part, whether it is related to part one or part three. You just need to understand things very clearly, very properly, as guided by sir and entire team. And yeah, I mean, the software provided by the institute is very helpful because it contains not many questions. Like, I mean, I think I have done almost 5,000 questions before preparing for the examination, so I know what kind of questions would be. So, when too much, if I mean, I can say ki, if you have memorized things, you do not have understand properly, then it would be very difficult for you. And you have to understand the things very properly, entire laws, entire regulations, what they are going to, what they're going to explain or what they want you to understand related to any provision. Then you will definitely able to clear.
Right. So my next question would be quite a unique one, wherein I believe every chartered accountant who is actually, will be viewing this video would have a question in mind. How many number of hours study would be required to clear this exam on a daily basis?
Uh, To be honest, actually, my background is Hindi medium till 10th standard. After that, I moved to English medium from 11th standard. So, I understand English very properly. Sometimes I do not, or I do take a little more time to understand things. That's why it is sometimes more time consuming for me to understand things or memorize things sometimes. That's why I might consider myself that I took a little more time to understand things or to prepare entire syllabus. But I think someone give properly 2 to 3 hours every day or attendance days for the week properly with full dedications. Yeah. Then I think 2 months or 3 months for one part is EA part one is too much. I mean enough for clearing examination, and for part three is 1 month is enough.
Right. So, viewers, we actually got immense, feedback with respect to the preparation journey for the enrolled agent course from Chartered Accountant Amit Garodia, sir. So, in the end, how would you rate AKPS Institute on a scale of 10? Yeah, to you.
If there would be any more stars, I would have given more than 10, then I definitely would have given more than 10. But you have permitted me to only to 1 to 10, then it definitely 10 out of 10.
Thank you so much for, giving us valuable feedback of yours. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.